Hello, and welcome to Vocabulary 8. This week's root is circ. Our goal? I can evaluate vocabulary words for both context and comprehension. Our focus this week is the root circ and 4 Wordmaster words. I've picked out 10 total words for you to focus on. Circulate, circlet, circular, circumnavigate, semicircle, circumscribe. And your Wordmaster words: barricade, misconstrue, forthright, parable. When I see the root circ, the first word that springs to mind is the word circle. This is pretty telling. Circ actually means around. So whenever I think of the word circle, I actually think of a big C with an arrow that is going around, just like a circle. Make sure to draw or create your own visual for the root circ. Let's do some quick practice. The root circ means square, flat, around, horizontal. If you picked around, you've been paying attention. Great work. Which word correctly uses the root circ? Circulate, circulum, circulal, circuli. If you picked circulate, you would be correct. It is the only one that is an actual word. The rest of these are made up. Notice that this one is kind of like curriculum, but not. Circucole, not really a word. Circuli, not a word. It is the easiest way to cross things off. Which word is the antonym of semicircle? Majority, booklet, whole, quarter. If you chose whole, you would be correct. A semicircle is only half of a circle. Therefore, the antonym, or opposite, would be a whole circle. What part of speech is circumscribed? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb. If you chose verb, you would be correct. A big clue for this one is that it ends with an ed. Typically, when we see the ending ed, it means that it has been done in the past tense. Things that were done in the past imply an action. Wordmasters. Barricade can be a noun or a verb. The noun is an obstruction used to prevent passage. Notice that you know it's a noun. The definition starts with an. Verb, to block off or stop with a barrier. To implies that it's a verb, as in an action, to do something. Misconstrue, to misinterpret the meaning, intention, or character of someone. Forthright, adjective, free from ambiguity or evasiveness. Adverb, directly forward. Noun, a straight path. Parable, noun, a short fictitious story that illustrates a moral. For today's wrap-up, how to practice. You can start with Quizlet. There is some basic practice, meaning it's just the words and definitions. After you feel comfortable with the words, go on to vocab.com for some more advanced practice. This will include definition, context, synonyms, and antonyms. If you need it, make flashcards. If you're more of a hands-on learner, this can really help you out. And of course, you need some day-by-day practice. You can do that by rewatching this lesson as much as you need, download the PDF from Canvas, or just find a practice that works for you. Still have questions? Then please come and ask.